Slim Shot goes hand in hand with that thing. Okay, so Daisy is doing my Coolsculpting. Now this machine basically freezes the fat. The pads of fat that collect as you get older. So I ate too much. Summer was hard. We ate, there was so much good food. Life was beautiful. So she's not going to tie me up. And once she's tied me up, she's going to turn the machine on. And then I'm by myself. There you go. And this is like a 1 hour and 15-minute process. So I'm going to just sit. There is no gym for your face. And for that reason, it is very important that you bring your face to a place where they have anti-aging machines to support your skin from sagging so that you don't lose the form and features that God blessed you with, that your genetic code blessed you with, and you don't lose it prematurely. I'm gonna do, she's also my tech, so she's gonna help me do Ultherapy on my face. So what is the best time to do Ultherapy is like when you look at yourself and you're like, whoa, I look great and I'm not falling apart and my previous Ultherapy is really working. That's the time to start planning to do your next one.